Hey there, welcome back to How to Medicate and welcome to this new video on how to use Oxazepam, also known as Serax. This video is part of a video series on mental health problems, and for those of you interested, check out the playlist in the description after watching this video, of course. For those of you meeting for the first time, my name is Raoul. I'm a medical doctor from the Netherlands and I'm making weekly medical videos to educate myself as well as you, my viewer, because I believe that medically educated people make healthier decisions, which is the whole point of this channel and this video. This video also comes with a quick disclaimer. It's meant purely informative. This is not medical advice, and if you're looking for medical advice, always contact your own doctor. And now quickly, let's get learning. Now, as mentioned, the generic name of this medication is Oxazepam, and it's sold under several brand names like Serax and Seresta, and it's available as regular tablets. Which brings us to how to use it. If you want to use the tablet, make sure to swallow it whole with half a glass of water. If you take this drug, it can take 1 to 2 hours before you experience the full effect. Considering the duration of use, it's often strongly discouraged to use Oxazepam for more than 2 months straight, as this can increase your risk for becoming dependent on this drug. This means you might experience withdrawal symptoms when you stop taking Oxazepam. This is why you should always discuss prolonged use with your doctor. Now, Oxazepam itself is part of a group of drugs called Benzodiazepines, and it can be used to decrease symptoms of several mental health disorders like an anxiety disorder, stress disorder, severe sleep disorders or insomnia, acute alcohol withdrawal symptoms, and a psychosis. Which brings us to the correct dosages to use. And here it's important that you always use the prescribed amount and frequency your doctor gave you. This is necessary because correct dosages might differ depending on specific indications, the side effects someone might experience, and the severity of their symptoms. Therefore, I can only provide you with some broad guidelines, and always use the prescribed amount and frequency your doctor gave you. When treating severe anxiety or stress in adults or children older than 12 years, your doctor might commonly prescribe a dose of 10 mg 3 to 4 times per day. In severe cases, this can be slowly increased up to a maximum dose of 100 to 300 mg divided over the day. When treating a severe sleeping disorder in adults, your doctor might prescribe a dose of 15 to 50 mg per day. This should be taken 1 to 2 hours before going to bed. And lastly, when treating alcohol withdrawal symptoms in adults, your doctor might prescribe a dose of 10 to 20 mg 3 to 4 times a day for the maximum usage of a week. Now, Oxazepam is a very effective drug, but unfortunately it can have some side effects. I will mention the most common ones in this video, but if you're looking for a complete list, check your leaflet or ask your doctor. Commonly it might cause somnolence, a decreased alertness, confusion and muscle weakness. Uncommonly it can cause an increased appetite, weight gain, diarrhea and difficulty swallowing. And rarely it might cause forgetfulness or various serious skin lesions. Which brings us to the safety of use. Here's important that you are very careful when combining Oxazepam and alcohol, as this might increase its side effects. Secondly, also be careful when driving when you use this drug, as Oxazepam might cause dizziness, confusion, etc. If you experience any of these, then please do not drive. And lastly, Oxazepam can have interactions with other drugs you're taking. Therefore, always discuss this with your prescribing doctor. And as always, we're ending this video off by taking a look at the safety of Oxazepam when pregnant or when breastfeeding. Research shows that occasional use of Oxazepam in low doses could be safe. This is true for pregnant women and women who are breastfeeding. However, there are some exceptions, therefore always discuss this with your personal doctor. Now, I hope you now know how to use Oxazepam, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And for those of you that want to keep on learning, check out the playlist in the description. I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to thank my sponsors on Patreon. Thank you, Sebastian, who is an investor tier supporter. And for all of you that learned something, please leave a like. This will help out the video tremendously, and consider subscribing so you never miss such an awesome medical video ever again. For those of you that can't get enough, I also have an Instagram account at How to Medicate. I'm posting there a few times a week. And all that rests me now is to say goodbye. See you next week with 2 new videos. Bye bye.